Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check iOS and free storage, then back up your device so you can undo mistakes. Once done, restart the Wallet app and perform a device reboot to clear transient errors. This often resolves app hangs. If Wallet still misbehaves, force close the app and reopen it. This flushes corrupted memory. Make sure to note any recent changes, like card updates or VPNs, because those can interfere with Wallet functionality and guide your next steps. You now perform deeper checks. Open settings to verify Apple ID, region, and Wallet and Apple Pay permissions, since mismatches block services. If a specific card or pass fails, remove it and re-add, following issuer verification prompts. This resets authentication tokens. Once done, test Apple Pay with a small purchase or use the Wallet preview. If activation or NFC still fails, reset network settings to clear connectivity conflicts, but be prepared to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords afterward. You finish by ensuring iOS is current. If problems persist, restore from backup or perform a DFU restore to eliminate software corruption. Do this only after confirming backups. Once restored, re-add cards and test Wallet. If issues continue, contact the card issuer to check account status, and then Apple support with your device diagnostics and serial number. This speeds resolution. A crucial troubleshooting tip. Try the same card on another iPhone to determine whether the problem is the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.